One Hot Bite. Melissa here, where healthy doesn't have to be boring, and it's game day today. We're gonna do two things. We're gonna go ahead and cook something in the crock pot because 'tis the season for crock pot cooking, and it's also football season and all the game day season. So we are going to make a game day platter recipe of little appetizers, but the main thing we're going to focus on today is some crock pot cocktail weenies, and these are so very simple, and you can alter this recipe in any way you want. One thing I am going to go ahead and add to my recipe, and I'll let you know down below, and it's definitely optional, but I'm going to put a little bourbon in our cocktail weenies today. So these turn out to be a giant crowd pleaser. This is a serving for 10 that I'm going to show you here. It's 377 calories per serving. And for cocktail weenies, that's actually, you know, not so bad. It's not like they're a low-fat food, but it's also a food that we love to enjoy on game days. So we're gonna go ahead and quickly throw this together. I wanna thank you so much for being here. I also want to apologize to all of my friends out there. I've been a little off the radar for a little bit. Some of you know that I have been the high school golf coach this season, and we just finished state, and it has been a wild roller coaster. It has been so much fun. So that season has now ended, and I will be back to answering comments a whole bunch quicker than what I have been, and watching some of your videos as well. So I have not been ignoring you. I've just been busy, so I will get to you. But if you are a subscriber, welcome back. I love that you're here every Monday with me. And if you're not, I hope you see something you love and you'll smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, and let's get cooking for game day. When I say these are simple, I really mean this is simple. So we are going to add just some grape jelly here and your favorite barbecue sauce. That's it. And this is where you would add a little bit of bourbon if you prefer. You can use that or not. I'm just going to mix this up until I get some of those jelly chunks mixed in with this. You don't have to get super crazy. Now we're going to go ahead and add 2 packages of little cocktail weenies. They do also have turkey cocktail weenies if you can find them, and they're much lower in fat and they taste just as good. So if not, regular cocktail weenies are great for this. We're going to stick it in the crock pot, put it on high for about 2 to 3 hours. As that's sitting, I am going to make just a little appetizer board with this. So I have some Colby Jack cheese, and I'm going to slice this. Actually, I'm not going to slice it. I'm going to cube it into these little blocks. They look so great on the cheese board with these cocktail weenies. The other thing I'm going to put on here is some Cornichon pickles. And I put a toothpick in each one of these, and we're going to set up our table. But these just go so great together. You can have some rolls on the side or all kinds of things. I mean, this is just a very easy, simple appetizer platter that you can have before really any meal or party. I don't know about you, but I think this is one hot bite. These are seriously some of the best cocktail weenies I've ever had. You can also use that same sauce and same mixture with pre-made meatballs or make your own meatballs. The sauce is just really what makes these so good. You can use the bourbon, omit the bourbon, that is up to you. And if there's something else you would love to add to this, you can even do like a peach jelly if you want to kind of do that peach barbecue, kind of a more southern recipe as well. But honestly, you can't go wrong with these. They're delicious, but we're gonna eat one of these. I want to show you how they turn out just so pretty and glossy and not overcooked at all. Sometimes, I don't know if you know, you do them in a pan and they end up overcooking and they get shriveled up. The crock pot does such a wonderful job because it maintains that heat so perfectly. So let's give this a taste. I'm telling you. And this is one of those foods I can just eat and eat and eat. It's a family favorite. We make it all the time, and these are so great. So I hope you give them a try for your game day, your tailgate, your potluck, anything you're doing. But I love you guys. I'll see you next week, and we're gonna make another wonderful fall recipe. Love you guys.